My God, I'm actually nervous. Can you believe it? Okay. Shouldn't be nervous, right? Yeah, such amazing people here. I'll be talking in a combination of English and Hindi, if that's okay with you, because Hindi is a language of the masses, and honestly, most jokes sound wonderful in Hindi. Correct, right? So, Vijay Lakshmi Suvarna. Want to start my story with my story, like everybody did, and it sounds good. I come from a very, very ordinary, lower middle class family. So, ये stage है ना, the stage. I mean, this stage is basically it's 3 times the size of my home when I was born. You know, the place I was born in. So 1/3 is I think comfortably that would have been the size of my home. It's a Mumbai chawl, so you can imagine what a chawl looks like in Mumbai. Those are just tiny houses which have a mori in the corner where you put a sari as a curtain and you have a bath, and then you go for the toilet outside because it's outside. And you take water and you stand in the line for buckets of water and to fill water. And it's not filmy at all, not like Hera Fairy where people are standing there and it's looking very glamorous. Not at all. It's very dirty. So came from that background. So I do understand what not having money is. I do understand what not having space is. I do understand what being whacked by my mother because of wanting so many things and not having them means. So in my story it's just that I believe this. Yeah, I believe anger is good. Anger is very good, as a matter of fact. Correct? Yeah, anger is good. Don't let anyone tell you anger is not good. People talk about anger as a negative emotion. Now, it's an emotion. It's an emotion, like happiness, like joy. It's an emotion. Someone telling you, oh, you're too angry. Yes, I am angry. Right? Because if you're not angry, you will never bring the change you want to see in the world, in yourself, in whatever you want. Anger is the strongest and most powerful emotion ever. So if you want to get out of mediocrity, I work with business owners and I see so many of them struggling because their profits are not going up, their turnover is not increasing, the complaints are pouring in, the quality of the product is not becoming better, innovation doesn't come in. Anybody who settles down to that will never ever achieve greatness. I see the fight in them, and then when they're really, really angry, I can see that they change. I see that the company becomes profitable. I've seen students struggling with their academics, with not being good. It's not about someone telling you you're not good, you knowing you're not good in certain areas, and you actually have the potential. Your anger is going to propel you to really touch your fullest potential. It could be environment. You see something that is wrong with the environment. You're seeing energy not being consumed the way it should be, not being protected, not being saved. And there you are looking at it. And instead of giving in and giving up, you're saying, I will fight this. And for that fight to really take shape, guess what emotion really works? Anger does. One should be unhappy with that one room. Because if I was not unhappy, if I was not angry enough, I would never have moved out of that place. I've seen so many people, young, old, who settle down, right? They've given up and given in to circumstances. If you really want to reach your fullest potential, use that anger and channelize it. And it's not anger against people now. Many of us are angry at our wives and husbands and bachas, and you're angry with your parents and, oh, I wanted this, you never gave me that. No, not talking about that. That anger is the lowermost in the hierarchy of anger. It's here, it's right at the bottom. I'm talking about that white, hot, burning anger that will propel you to change and bring transformation in the world. Anyone says anger, it's not a great emotion. Think about Mahatma Gandhi. He was, honestly, if you talk about peace and ahimsa and everything, he's the first non-violence, he's the first person who comes to mind. And guess what? The first time he was thrown out of the compartment in Africa, despite having a first-class ticket, the first thought in his mind was anger at being treated this way. And that's what made him the father of the nation and gave us independence. Think about Nelson Mandela, who saw that there was inequity between the treatment of whites versus black, and he got extremely angry and agitated, and that's what made him lead the apartheid movement. Which means, so anger is an extremely positive and extremely powerful emotion. I have a poem. Right, it's there in this book. It's a book I've written. It's called Anger is Good. It's a good book because it says anger is good. It speaks about greed being good and envy being good. It speaks about so many things being good, which we have been told is bad. Yet it's got all those contradictory thoughts, and I think I would love to read something from here. I'll try to say it by heart. Agar padna nahi ho raha hai to, lekin I'm just giving it as a buffer, right? So it's in Hindi. Oh, are the students okay with Hindi? Yeah, they are. All right. ठीक है. All right. So here goes. So गुस्सा अच्छा है. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. जीवन में कुछ करना है, कुछ हासिल करना है, कुछ कमाना है, तो गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. गुस्सा न होगा तो हिलोगे नहीं. गुस्सा न होगा तो हिलोगे नहीं. विकट परिस्थिति से निकलोगे नहीं. थक जाओगे, ठग जाओगे, घुल जाओगे, दिखोगे ही नहीं. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. किस्मत उन्हीं का साथ देगी. किस्मत उन्हीं का साथ देगी जो अड़ियल हैं, जो जिद्दी हैं. किस्मत उन्हीं का साथ देगी जो अड़ियल है, जो जिद्दी हैं. अगर कुछ करना है, अगर कुछ हासिल करना है, कुछ कमाना है, तो अपने अंदर उस दर्द को घुर्राओ, उसे दबाओ, उसे हराओ. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. And I know for a fact that many of us today follow a passion, follow a purpose, because we have that anger and restlessness in us. I want you to go back with this thought that next time you're angry, don't take it out on people. That's anybody can do it. Even a dog can do it and a cat can do it. They're angry, they will bark at you, isn't it? Right? Even मतलब एनिमल भी कर सकता है वो गुस्सा जिसको चैनलाइज करके आप अपना जिंदगी का नेक्स्ट द बिगेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी कंप्लीटिंग इट. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट. Think about the biggest sponsor you're going to get for your event, and the person is not answering your calls, not meeting you, and you're saying, I am so angry, you're the right person for this, I'm going to be lying down outside your gate till you come and ask me kya chahiye. Correct? What about those children and those parents, who are, I have seen come across many mothers, many women who kind of are unhappy because of the way life has treated them. Wake up, you have gussa inside you, you have Durga inside you. Wake up and tell people, nah, not okay. I will not be treated this way. I've seen in businesses people who work very hard being passed over for promotion. Right? You have to look at yourself and say, how can I make this better? I will not take no for an answer. Let me go back and think about how can I be the best in class? How can I be the most excellent person that has ever done this task? मतलब मैं इतना अच्छा करूंगा कि मुझे ढूंढते हुए मेरा प्रमोशन आएगा, मुझे जाके पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Right? So I truly believe that anger is what will make you change your circumstances. It will make you achieve something you never even imagined. Anger will keep you focused on what you really want from life and your vision. Anger will make you so goddamn powerful. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, अंदर अब दुर्गा को अपने अंदर बिठाओ, काली को जगाओ अपने अंदर की. हर एक एक अंग में, एक एक आपका हर रूप में शिव का तांडव दिखलाओ, क्योंकि गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. गुस्सा अच्छा है, आना चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.